Okay, the next question is question number 5. Here it says, make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers. Okay, in the number there should be only 4 digits. Using any 4 different digits. Okay, you cannot repeat any digit here. And here are the conditions. Okay, with these conditions we have to keep in mind. First condition is that digit 6 should be always in the thousands place. So 4-digit number will have 4. I have given 4 blanks. Okay, and each blank represents, like this blank represents ones, this is tens, this is hundreds, this is thousand. Now here in the question, the condition that they have given, that 6 should be in the thousands house. So I have written here 6 is in the thousands house. Now the rest of the numbers are the places for hundreds place, tens place and ones place. And it one's greatest. So 6 will be there in thousands house because it says in the question. So what will be the next number? By logic, the next number should be the greatest digit, 9. Okay. Next number can't be 9 because they have said that you can't repeat using any 4 digits, different digits. Different digits means you cannot repeat. So after writing 9, the next highest digit is 8 and the next highest digit is 7. So keeping 6 in the thousands place only, the other 2 digits is 987. So 6987 is the answer for this particular 5 part 1. Now smallest also we have to make. And the same condition applies for this. 6 should be in the thousands house. So here 6 is in the thousands house. That we cannot change. It is the requirement in the question that 6 has to be in the thousands house. Next, which other numbers you can give? The smallest digit you should start with. We could have actually started with the smallest digit 1 here, but 1 cannot be put in the thousands house because 6 is to be put in the thousands house. So next we give 0. Okay. You could have given 1, but that will not make the least, smallest. If you give 0 here, then 1 and then 2, then the number becomes 6012. Suppose you began with 1 over here and then you gave 0 here. Then the number would have been 6112 or 102, sorry. That would be not the least. Chota, sabse chota. We want sabse chota, least, smallest. So we can do that by giving 0 and then 1 and then 2. Okay, remember the rule for writing smallest. We write the smallest digit first, followed by the greater, then last it follows greater than that. So this is the answer for this particular condition, 6012, keeping 6 in the thousands house. Okay, as you can see here, there is no formula for any particular question. It's only logic. You have to use your own logic, your own buddhi. Okay, now the second part is they are telling that again 4-digit number only. We have to write 4-digit numbers only. But now 4 will be in the hundreds place. So here 4 blanks. First blank is ones, second blank is for tens, hundreds, thousand. So 4 should be in the hundreds place. So hundreds place I have written 4. So the greatest number should begin with a 9. We cannot repeat 9 again. No repetition allowed. So next, second greatest digit is 8 and the third greatest digit is 7. Already 4 is supposed to be given here. It is the requirement of the question. So the greatest number is 9487. Now when we want to find the smallest 4-digit number, smallest 4 will have to be in the hundreds place in this one also. So the smallest, we cannot begin with 0. 0 cannot be in the first. So 1 we will give. Already 4 is there in the hundreds house. Then now here you give 0. And after that 1. Next highest digit is 2. So you give 2 here. You can't give a 1 here because it would be repetition. Repetition is not allowed. So this is the required answer, 1402. Now here 7 is to be maintained in the tens place. Here is tens place. I have written 7. So the greatest number will be 98. Okay. 6 in the ones place. Okay. 7 should be in the tens place. 7 is always in the tens place. So here is 7. Then greatest digit when you want to write, you have to begin with 9. So 9, 8, 7 is there already, and then 6. Smallest number, here also you have to follow the same condition. 7 should be in the tens place. So the smallest number will begin with 1 in the thousands place. You cannot give 0, okay? We cannot start with a 0. So 1 and then you give 0. Here already 7 is there. Then next is, after 1 the next biggest digit is 2. So 1072 is the required answer. Second question. Next question, number 6, says how many numbers do you have in all with 4 digits? Now to understand this one, let me first take you to the basics. Okay, here is the basic question that I want to ask. Before we do that, question number 6. How many single digit numbers are there? Single digit numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9 is 10. That is a double digit number. But single digit number, the maximum is, the highest value of single digit number is 9. And the lowest is 0. Count. If you want to count one by one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Actually, there are 10 single digit numbers. You can do that by this calculation. Highest single digit number is 9, lowest single digit number is 0. But when you do highest minus lowest, that is 9 minus 0, you get only 9. But in reality, there are 10, right? Actually, what happens while we do minus is, when we are doing minus, we are not counting the greatest digit. Okay, we are starting to count from the next one. So, if you want to know the total number of single digits, then what you get after calculating highest minus lowest, to that you have to add that one digit that you are not counting while doing minus. Okay, so highest minus lowest, here we got 9 minus 0, 9. To that you add that one digit which is not counted. So total single digit numbers 10 are there. Now coming to our question. How many numbers do we have in all with 4 digits? Now we need to know the smallest 4 digit number, that is 1000. Okay, before that is 999, that is 3 digit. After 999 comes 1000. This is the first 4 digit number, or the smallest 4 digit number. Similarly, largest 4 digit number is 4 times 9, or 9999. After 9999 comes 10,000, that is a 5 digit number. So when you do the greatest 4 digit number minus smallest 4 digit number, you get 8999. But remember, in that basic that I taught you, we are not counting the highest while we are doing the minus, right? So in order to know the total number of 4 digit number, we have to add that 1 which we did not count while we were doing minus. So 8999 plus 1 equals to 9000. So in all, we have 9000 4 digit numbers. Okay, 4 digit numbers, how many are there? 9000 of them. Next is, how many 6 digit numbers we have? So 6 digit numbers, here also we need to know the smallest 6 digit number. Here is the smallest 6 digit number, 1 followed by 5 zeros, 1s, 10s, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. 1 lakh is the smallest 6 digit number. Greatest 6 digit number is 6 times 9. Okay, 9 lakh 99,999. This is the greatest 6 digit number. So same thing we are doing. The greatest minus the smallest, we get this. But we are not counting the greatest number, right? While we are doing minus. So in order to know the total number of 6 digit numbers, we have to add 1 to this difference. So 899999 plus 1, that is total. These many 6 digit numbers are there in all. Okay, some of you have asked me about this particular question in exercise 1b, question 11. Now let me explain to you what is asked in the question. We have only 2 digits for us, 5 and 7. Using 5 and 7, we have to make 4 digit numbers. That means we can repeat 5 and 7. But how we have to repeat? We have to repeat in such a way that we are using both the digits equal number of times. That means if 5 is repeated 2 times, 7 also has to be repeated 2 times. 2 times 5 and 2 times 7. 2 plus 2 makes 4-digit number. So 5 repeated 2 times and 7 repeated 2 times. These are the combinations of numbers that we get by repeating 5 2 times and 7 2 times. Okay, I hope you have understood the question. 5 and 7 can be repeated 2 times. Okay, total 4-digit number we have to make. So half of 4 is 2, right? So 5 2 times and 7 2 times. So here I have the numbers that can be written by repeating 5 2 times and 7 2 times. First number is 5577. Here also you can see 5 2 times, 7 2 times. The next number can be 7755. Okay, here also you can see 7 2 times and 5 2 times. You cannot use any other digit, okay? Only 5 and 7. Then the next number is 5757. Here also you can see 7 2 times and 5 2 times. The next number can be 7575. Here also you can see 7 is 2 times, 5 is 2 times. 5775, 5 2 times, 7 2 times. 7557, 7 2 times, 5 2 times. I hope I have not repeated any number. Yeah, no repetition is there. So these are the 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers that can be formed by using 5 and 7 and by using 5 2 times and 7 2 times, making 4-digit numbers. Now, among these numbers, which is the greatest? You check out. This is 5577. This is 7755. So, according to me, this is the greatest. See, this is 7755. There is no more 7700 series. So, this is the highest. Which is the smallest? Here. This is the smallest, 5577. This is 5700. This is 5700 as well. So 5500 is the smallest. 5577 is the smallest. And how many numbers are there in total? By following this instruction in the question, you have 6 numbers. So that will be answer for this particular third part. What is the number of different numbers that can be formed in all? We have 6 numbers that can be formed in all by repeating 5 2 times and 7 2 times, making 4-digit numbers.